Hello there. So this is going to be a review of the system sensor 2W-B conventional smoke detector. So this is a conventional device, and it has the green lights right there for telling you that it has power. Kind of flashes every 5 seconds or something like that to tell you that it has power. Then it has the red light here to show you that it's in alarm. It will say solid red once it's in alarm. And then you got the smoke sensing chamber here. And twist it off. And to get it off, you just twist it. And this would be the mounting plate or base. So what I would need to figure out is which of these terminals to connect the wires to once I put it onto that manual control point. But anyway, so you would mount the base right here where the wires are all the correct way. And then you would put this device onto the base. So this is basically what that would look like with it on the base and on the board and all that. But I still have to get wires plugged into it, and also have to get this screwed onto the board. So yeah. But anyway, there's not really much I can say about this device other than that it looks pretty nice. And it's from the System Sensor i3 line of smoke detectors, so that's nice. Anyway, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and comment down below if you think I should use this device in system test study, and how you think I should activate it. If I should activate it with the magnet test or some other way. Anyways, thank you all for watching.